This awning you have here is a little different. It's not a cloth awning, it's a canvas. It's a canvas awning, and you know, we clean the outside, and then I'm looking at the inside, and the inside looks like that over there. And I'm like, well, that doesn't look right. Let's see if a little bit of soap can fix it. Boom. So you join me as we clean the inside of this canvas awning. So a couple of different types of awning, same location, different types, still doable. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.